With ConnectMobile, you can make common measurements such as distance, area, and height right from your device. To find your measurement tools, tap the Menu button. Then, tap Tools. When you select a measurement tool, a crosshairs icon appears on the screen. The center of the crosshairs is used to mark points in the image, which are used to calculate measurements. There are two ways to position the crosshairs. You can drag the crosshairs icon across the image, or you can pan the imagery beneath the crosshairs icon. Keep in mind that the accuracy of your measurements depends on how precisely you mark locations with the crosshairs icon. To measure distance, tap the Distance tool from the Tools menu. Position the crosshairs at the beginning point of the distance measurement, then tap Add Point. If you are measuring a distance that includes multiple line segments or along a curve, position the crosshairs at the next point in the measurement and tap Add Point again. Repeat this process until you reach the final point of the measurement, then tap Measure. The measurement value appears on the screen. To copy the value of any measurement to your device's clipboard, tap the Copy to Clipboard icon. To measure area, tap the Area tool from the Tools menu. Position the crosshairs at the beginning point of the area measurement, then tap Add Point. Position the crosshairs at the next point in the measurement, and tap Add Point again. Repeat this process until you reach the final point of the measurement. At the final point, tap Measure. To measure the height of a feature in your imagery, tap the Height tool from the Tools menu. First, ensure that you are viewing an oblique image. Then position the crosshairs at the beginning point of the height measurement and click Add Point. For the sake of accuracy, always begin a height measurement from a point on the ground. Then position the crosshairs at the upper point of the height measurement and tap Measure. To measure the elevation of any point in your imagery, tap the Elevation tool from the Tools menu. Then, position the crosshairs and tap Get Elevation. To find the bearing of a line relative to true north, tap the Bearing tool from the Tools menu. Position the crosshairs at the beginning point of the bearing line, then tap Add Point. Position the crosshairs at the ending point of the bearing line, then tap Measure. The measurement value appears in degrees relative to true north. You can measure an angle with the Bearing Difference tool. First, tap the Bearing Difference tool from the Tools menu. Position the crosshairs at the vertex or meeting point of the angle and tap Add Point. Position the crosshairs at the ending point of one of the angle's rays and then tap Add Point again. Finally, position the crosshairs at the ending point of the angle's other ray and tap Measure. The result shows the value in degrees of the angle. Finally, to find the location of any point in your imagery, tap the Location tool from the Tools menu. Then, position the crosshairs and tap Get Location. You can change the units for the height, area, location, and bearing difference tools by tapping the menu icon, then tapping Change Tool Units. Select your preferred unit of measure, then tap Done. Changes will be saved as your default units for future measurements. Thanks for watching. Please watch the complete series of ConnectMobile training videos for more information about all the features available in ConnectMobile.